to another video. I'm currently doing my little ice roller. It is 4:40 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm actually going with my sister-in-law today, so it should be fun. Also drinking a pre-workout so that I can wake up because I did not want to wake up this morning. I decided to pick up the camera today and just vlog. I have some very exciting stuff that I'm going to be doing over the next few days, so I wanted to bring you guys along. If you're new to my channel, my name is Allie and I'm an Orlando-based flight attendant, and I vlog about my life as a mom, as a flight attendant. I sprinkle a little bit of lifestyle, so make sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I try to post weekly, and also I'm constantly posting on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to follow me there because when you don't see me here, you can find me there. I post there daily. I always show my ice roller on Instagram and I always get asked about it. This one's from the Skinny Confidential. It's a little bit of a pricier ice roller, and it's like the stainless steel or metal ones, which I prefer. But I wanted to make sure that I can get into being consistent with my ice roller before I would buy one like this, and I technically use it every single day. So I just went ahead and bought it. But there are so many alternatives you can find on Instagram. I mean, not Instagram, Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and link this one and the other ones in the description box. All right. Oh, I have my shoes upstairs, so I'm gonna go grab my shoes and then head on over to the gym.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you don't find 'cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams.
Just left the class. I did have to stop a few times because it was exhausting, but it was so good. It was such a good class. All right, so we're home now. I'm gonna make myself some protein coffee. One, I need the coffee, and two, I need the protein. So I'm going to just make an iced coffee with the Chiaro, I believe that's how you say it. It's a double espresso, and I'm just going to pour like caramel protein in it with some ice. It's gonna be really good. I'm also gonna take my supplements, mental health medication and all that. So the supplements that I'm taking are for hair. This is the hair gummy vitamins. I've actually been taking these for a while now. If you saw my video a long time ago with my surgery update, I am about 10 months or 9 months post-op. And if you didn't know, I had bariatric surgery back in August of last year of 2022. And I lost a ton of hair because of the surgery. So I partnered up with iRestore a few videos ago, and I'm partnering up with them again because I have been using their products for months now. I'm on my second bottle of the gummies, and I'm also taking this other supplement. They both have biotin. They help with hair regrowth and help with hair thinning, which is what I have. And I use their entire system, their shampoo, their conditioner, their serum, so I use everything. I finished up their products and I'm using it again, so I've definitely seen some progress. I'm going to show you guys some before and afters. Right now you can't really tell because my hair is oily, but I definitely need to wash it. But my before is very telling. Now I have a little bit of baby hairs coming in, so I can definitely see that it's working. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about the system in a little bit, but right now I'm going to drink my coffee and answer some comments and then take a shower when George wakes up so that I can use my hair dryer and then go into the system and all that. So let's get our day going. Okay, so I'm having my protein right now with some coffee. I should have added more coffee because that is way too sweet for me right now. But I'm gonna sit down and answer some comments. I like to take some time in the morning with a coffee or a smoothie or something to reply to your comments on your videos. I don't always get to do that, but I try my hardest to do it. And in the meantime, I'm going to be using my iRestore system. So this little helmet right here is pretty much a light therapy that I'm going to be using on my hair. It is low level light. And the way I understand it, it's pretty much like watering a plant, because hair is either in the process of falling out, thinning, or growing. So this adds like water, and it's pretty much providing nutrients to the hair follicles. It's absorbed by the follicles so that it could pretty much keep your hair in the growing phase. This can be used in conjunction with like topical treatments. It could be used with supplements, PRP treatment, pretty much maximize the growth of hair. So it is FDA cleared. It's non-invasive and clinically proven technology. I try to use this every other day for about 25 minutes, and I try to do this when I'm like answering comments or I'm sitting in front of the TV, or sometimes even just like folding laundry, because it is pretty portable. So this is actually the only device that has 282 LED lasers. Other devices either only have the lasers or they only have the LEDs. I really like how convenient it is to use this because, like I said, I can pretty much be using it while I'm doing stuff around the house, and it doesn't necessarily require time for me to like sit down and do this. I can do this, I can incorporate this into my life. I don't need to incorporate my life into doing this system. I have noticed less shedding ever since I started using this, and little baby hairs like I said earlier, and I was really intrigued into trying this because of my surgery and how much hair I was losing. Be sure to check out the link in my description box below for you to be able to check out the sale that they're running right now. This is a great way for you to save on an investment for your hair. They also offer a 12-month money back guarantee, which is pretty telling when it comes to a company. That means they stand behind their products. And I'm not exactly sure how long the sale lasts, so make sure to check out the link so you're able to check out Iris Store. So thank you to Iris Store for sponsoring a portion of this video. Done. I washed my hair with the shampoo and conditioner from Iris Store. I'm on my second bottle of the shampoo as well, so I am definitely taking advantage of the system to make sure that I give it a fair try. As you can see, I have a lot more hair than I did in the beginning, and I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like clean so that you can see what it really looks like. So I used the serum as well. I prefer the serum over like an oil, and I'm really glad it's a serum and not an oil, because I have very fine thin hair and my scalp is very oily, so it doesn't get oily when I use it every single day. And I don't know, I just really like it. Definitely use a heat protectant every time I style my hair, and I'm not gonna add heat to my hair. Well, normally I don't add heat to my hair for a week or so, but unless I have something going on. But I try to avoid heat as much as possible. So I put on some tinted sunscreen because I'm not in the mood to wear any makeup today, and I actually have just enough time to go downstairs and get the boys ready to take Alex to school. It's the perfect timing. So I might not talk to you guys until later today because it's gonna get very crazy. I hear the boys waking up, and this is just a crazy time of the day. Later today I do have a lash appointment because I wanted to get my lashes done for the event that I have going on tomorrow and on Saturday. I already have some on, but I'm just gonna get a fill and get a little bit more volume, so we'll see how that goes. And I'm just wearing a sweater and some biker shorts. It's really comfy today. Let's get this day going. Okay, so it's a lot later. I just dropped off Luca at school. I am going to be doing my nails right now because they're starting to pop off. I've had these for almost 2 weeks. If you didn't know, I do my own nails at home. So I use the Gel X system. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails because I get asked this all the time. And I get asked to make like one video about my nails, but I don't know if I can. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I take them off first. I have this little vacuum right here that I got on Amazon. Pretty much everything I got on Amazon. Some stuff I've gotten them from like small nail shops. I'm pretty much gonna start by sanding off all the gel on my nails, and then I'm gonna do it over the vacuum so that all the powder doesn't go everywhere. And then I'm gonna soak them in acetone until they come off. So this is usually the part that takes the longest for me. And I'm probably gonna have to break this up in a few sections because it takes me forever to do my nails. So sometimes it's just better to go to the nail salon, but I also don't wanna spend $70, $80 on getting my nails done. This is the little setup that I have. It's just this little cart where I have everything organized. This is the little bowl that I'm gonna use to soak my nails. The vacuum, and then I have these little, they're like the bibs that you get at the dentist that they put on you. So I use these as like a little workstation and just do everything over this. my nails are finally off. It took me forever to get them off. Oh my goodness. But now I'm going to measure out which nails I'm going to be using. So the nails I'm using are the round soft gel nail tips in short. These are from Nails Cat. I got them on Instagram. And I love Painted Desert nails as well. And this brand, they're really, really good. So I just have like different sizes and different styles in each brand. So I'm gonna make sure that each nail pretty much fits perfectly, and it has to fit from wall to wall, if that makes sense. So from one side to the other. If it's too big, file it down. It's better to do that than to get one that's too small because it will pop right off. I'm just going to measure out and see which nails fit best, and then I'm gonna move on to nail prep. Okay, so I ended up sanding the inside of my nails because that just makes sure that the nail adheres to the glue better. But I have about 20 minutes until I have to go get the boys from school, so I'm just gonna hang out on the couch with Leo and watch a little bit of TV and play a little bit. And then I'm gonna go pick up the boys, and when I come back, I'm gonna continue with the nails. I told you guys that I can't just do this in one sitting. I have to do this in like little parts because it's hard to do it with kids, and I've had to stop a few times too. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I'm in the car now, and George actually got home a few minutes before I had to leave, so it worked out perfectly. I'm actually on my way to Dr. Phillips, which if you're familiar with the Orlando area, you know where Dr. Phillips is. My friend has her lash studio, and I'm actually just getting my lash fill done because of an event that I have Friday and Saturday. I think I mentioned this earlier. I think I'm repeating myself. I have that really bad habit of repeating myself sometimes in the vlog, and a few people have called me out on it, and I'm working on it. It's just I forget sometimes what it is that I'm telling you guys. I'm on my way there now, and she also has a little boutique in her place, and she's just like goals, man. She's also Mrs. Orlando, which is crazy. Like, this woman just has it like going on. She's definitely an inspiration. So anyway, I'm gonna go and try on some clothes because George said he's taking me somewhere for Mother's Day. He won't tell me where, but he said that I need to dress nice. So I don't have a lot of like nice dresses and stuff, so I'm gonna see what I can find at her boutique. Kind of hectic day because of me deciding to do my nails and getting ready for the event and getting some work done, and then spending time with the boys. And we also did a craft earlier today too, so it's just been a lot of balancing everything, and now I get this little time to myself, which is really nice. There's a lot of traffic. This is how bad the traffic is right now. It's always like this in the street. All right, we made it. Hey guys, good morning. A few days later, and I'm actually getting ready for the day because I'm going to a very exciting event. I'm so excited. I'm going to a Derby event for the Kentucky Derby. I'm not going to the actual Kentucky Derby, but it's an event here in Winter Park, and I'm going because I started working with a marketing agency. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be a flight attendant. My flight attendant job is not going anywhere. I'm not quitting, nothing. This is just something that I'm doing on the side, and I'm running their social media accounts and creating content for them, making content, editing content. And I have always been interested in marketing. Marketing has always been something that has been very, very interesting and exciting to me. My family works in marketing too. So it's, I don't know, it's very up my alley. I'm working for an agency called MCR, and they are a very big marketing agency. They work with big clients. And the client today is actually Maker's Mark. So if you're familiar with bourbon, that's going to be the sponsor of today's event. But yesterday we had a Cinco de Mayo event, and today we have the Derby event. But today I'm going not necessarily to work like a booth. I'm just going for the experience and to create content, and I'm so excited to vlog about it. I'm putting on clip-on extensions because I get to wear one of those really big hats, and I've never worn a hat like that before. So it's exciting to be able to wear one for the first time, but my hair is still too short for it to look good in my opinion with the hat. So I'm just putting on some old extensions that I have. It makes me miss my other extensions, so I'm not going to lie, but it's just so much maintenance having to get them moved up every so often, and then, you know, my hair needed some rest. Yeah, that's just a little life update about what I've been doing lately, and I don't think I've shared it on Instagram. I don't think I have, but I will, because I will be vlogging. I'll do like a little Instagram reel vlogging about it, and I'll also show like my outfit and all that, and I'll show you guys my outfit too in a little bit. It's so cute. I'm really excited. The only thing is that it is pouring right now. You know, typical Florida weather, it is pouring. So I am not sure how that's gonna go. I just realized I have mascara under my eyes, but I'm gonna let it dry more so that I can just like rub it off with a Q-tip. But okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I'm all ready. I'm gonna show you guys the whole outfit. This is what I'm wearing. I got this dress on Amazon. My friend let me borrow her hat that she got at the Kentucky Derby. So this is like an actual Kentucky Derby hat. And then the shoes are from Target. They're like really old from one of my baby showers. And I have my purse. Oh, and then I'm just taking this little tan purse from Tory Burch. And that's it. George is coming too, and he's wearing this hat. I've never seen him dress like that, so I think it's so cute.